The Sioux City Career Academy is about providing students with pathways to the future. Students have the opportunity to explore their passions and learn what they love to do. Through meaningful, real-world experiences, students in the Academy make valuable connections between their education and their future.
I wanted to enroll in the Career Academy because I didn't necessarily know what I wanted to do after high school. So first I started with the engineering pathway and realized it wasn't necessarily for me. So then I moved on to the health career pathway, and I think I found what I want to do in life, which is pursue medicine.
Taking classes down here is really fun. You get to meet kids from all different schools, and it gives off a college vibe. Most of the classes down here are college credit classes. Once I graduate, I can transfer some of the credits.
At the Career Academy, I'm glad it's free because this way, if I don't like accounting, then I know that in college I shouldn't be paying for classes about accounting just for exploring it and all that kind of stuff.
So these classes have prepared me for my college experience by giving me the confidence to try something new. I would have never even thought of becoming a CNA someday. Maybe going through the path of going into the medical school, but I probably would have never had hands-on experience until I got to medical school.
The Sioux City Career Academy has brought a whole different aspect to my kind of school routine. It's nice taking a break from East and coming down here and having fun with a bunch of other students. It's a very different environment. It's a lot more discussion-based and group activity-based rather than just a sit and listen and take a test.
What I appreciate about the Career Academy would definitely have to be the teachers and the freedoms that you have as a student. There are a lot of internships that the Career Academy offers, and if you were just at your home school, you wouldn't necessarily have those same opportunities.
I originally tried 2 different pathways because I was trying to discover which would I like more, if it's computer science or engineering. And in the future, I know that I will pursue a career that's related to technology.
I think everyone should try to take a Career Academy class. These classes are helping me prepare for the future by giving me a more real-world experience to learn in. It's a better environment. I had an idea of what I want to do, but getting the chance to try it out here gave me the certainty of that it's what I wanted to do. It took away the doubt.